Go in there to the shoe.
Ignore him, Svetlana. Now play your heart out.
Hey guys, it's Jai here, and I'm giving my mommy a break. Today, I got my first haircut, and man, it was a shocker. That's my Barber Will. Shout out to Will. Hit him up on IG if you want that dope lineup. Alright guys, I'm pretty nervous, but here comes the big chop. There goes my curly fries.
Petrie.
Oh yeah, I'm looking at the mirror and I like what I see. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I was literally freaking out right now. Like, he's still cutting hair? There's more hair to cut?
Produced by Louis Avalon.
Guys, it looks like it's hurting right now, but it actually feels good. Yep, that's my scalp. First day of school, this is gonna be a breeze.
That's clean.
Okay, guys. When you're getting that lineup, you gotta be still. Like, look at that clean lineup.
Produced by Louis Avalon.
Ah, this is my favorite part.
Produced by Louis Avalon.
How was your experience with getting your son's first haircut? Leave your comments down below.
You like it?
Ooh. my Barber Will one more time. Man, I love my new haircut. I cannot wait for everybody to see it on the first day of school. Don't forget to like this video and smash that subscribe button.
Kirsty da Petrie.